everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a quick haul from Plan and Go. This is a company that I PR for, and you can use my code and it will be down in the description below and across the screen as well. I got these during a $2 sale, and also I wanted to let you know that she's going to be in the Epic sale coming up, so do not miss out on getting some of her goodies, and you can mention my name and get a freebie as well. So definitely check out Plan and Go on the Epic sale, and keep up with my channel on Plannernina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, and I will keep you up to date on the sale as well. So go check out the Epic sale on Facebook as well too, so to get y'all some goodies. But this is, I just wanted to show you real quick some of the stuff that you can get. She has everything from clips to stickers to functionals, everything. So I didn't even open any of this because I wanted to open it with you. But these are headers. Look how cute these are, or dividers, whichever one you want. The little Christmas lights. I love these. These are so adorable, y'all. Very, very cute. And then here are the blue lights. I kind of got these for my police officer friends as well to represent them. But I also thought that they were cute because I have a lot of blue Christmas kits that I can use these on. And then they're the colorful ones as well. So this reminds me of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I don't know why, but it just does. So I got those. And then anybody that knows me knows that my whole Christmas tree is nothing but snowmen and snowflakes and snow. So I had to get the snow clip. Look at the snowflake clip. How cute is that? Look at that face. Who doesn't love a face with the little eyelashes and all? Very cute. Then Elf, of course, is one of my favorite movies. And so I had to get the little elf boots. Maybe if I can get them out and show you. How cute is that? Very, very cute. Adorable. And then I had to get like the gold metallic bow to use on my gold ones. And this will also be good for like if I have a gold or anything gold in like my New Year's kits. Love, love, love. You can use this all year long and in the fall. Then I had to get the Christmas tree. I'm so ready. I'm getting so ready for Christmas, and it's not even Halloween yet, y'all. How crazy is that? But how you can't beat these deals. $2, you cannot beat it. Look at that little face and the glitter and the little tiny gold star. How sweet is that? So cute. And then, of course, I had to get the red bow. And then this red bow can also be used like in Valentine's, or there's the red bow and it's all beautiful and glittery. Look at that. Gorgeous. So again, this is Plan and Go. Go check her out, y'all. You're not going to want to miss her. Don't forget that I'm one of her PR girls and that you can use my name to get a freebie every time that you place an order, or even when she doesn't have a sale going on, you can use my name and get my percentage off. So go check her out. Like I said, go check her out on the Epic sale as well. You can start to do your in searches of, and I bet you a lot of the stuff that you're looking for, she has it. So I hope to see you back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you later. Bye bye.